Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of chicken bones and scraps for a deep, rich flavor. Also, prepare 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. Don't forget 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and some fresh parsley. Finally, ensure you have 4 liters of cold water ready to cover everything. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by rinsing your chicken bones thoroughly under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, place all your prepared ingredients into a large stock pot, making sure they are fully submerged in the 4 liters of cold water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce it to low. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface during the first 30 minutes for a clearer stock. The key to a great stock is patience. Allow your stock to simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours. This extended cooking time ensures maximum flavor extraction from the bones and vegetables. It's crucial to avoid boiling vigorously, as this can make your stock cloudy. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the finished stock through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding all the solids and keeping only the clear, flavorful liquid. Proper cooling and storage are vital for safety and longevity. Rapidly cool your stock to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours to prevent bacterial growth. Once cooled, divide the stock into smaller, manageable containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze it for up to 3 months for longer preservation. Always remember to label your containers with the date for easy inventory management.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.